Okay, so
I call you back. Do you say, tell me your Debbie, but you may not be. You see my problem? So I have to be very careful.
okay, so your name is what again?
Scott Gay.
Okay. And you have in your system for a Deborah Davis several different incidences in September. And what are they again?
There's three. I'm telling you, I'm not telling you over the phone. I don't know who you are on the phone.
Yeah, I lived in your state. I lived in your state for like 2 months. So I don't, I don't. And I never did anything there except for work. So it's really kind of weird that there's some false charges in there about me, isn't there? How did that happen?
I don't know. I don't know who I'm even talking to. You can't confirm your identity over the phone.
What do you have in your system about me? Harassment and.
I'm not going to tell you.
Okay. Okay, so it sounds to me like a sheriff in a totally different state completely made up a charge about me. And it shouldn't have followed me through to a different state unless it was a felony, correct?
I told you I'm probably not going to discuss any of this.
But it's not a felony. So that's.
You're telling me what happened and then asking me questions about it.
But you just told me you found three different. I want to know the three different instances that you see.
You can come in and request that.
I don't come in anywhere near your state.
Send you an email.
Send you an email.
An email.
Yes. What's your email?
Police department. Get you the records.
Oh yeah, this is gonna go to several people. This is not okay. Yeah, wasn't there a Supreme Court law that just passed in June saying you can't pull people over unless you have proof that there's a warrant, and especially if it's from a different state? Yeah, I think there was. There was something passed right June 13th. Did you not remember that? Did you not hear about that? So you didn't confirm that any of this was true, and you didn't have firsthand information, did you?
I'm not going to discuss it with
So what you did is completely illegal, all the way up to the Supreme Court. So what your officers did there in Idaho, Blackfoot, Idaho, to forget, particularly an officer named Ken Pendrick, Officer 604, what he did was totally illegal. So what are you going to do about it?
Well, like I said,
are you the chief of police?
Yes, I am, and I keep telling you the same thing.
Okay, what's your email?
Not understanding, apparently.
What's your email?
You've not even reviewed our reports, have you?
I asked.
Otherwise, you wouldn't know.
I asked when I was being wrongfully pulled over. I asked, why am I being wrongfully pulled over? I asked for a warrant. They never received. I received no information of why I was even pulled over. I never received no information about what the warrant was about. I received I was not served anything in the mail. I have not had any knowledge of any warrant. Okay, there's all kinds of steps that should have happened. I've never been served anything. Don't you think I should have been aware?
Citation.
Huh?
Were you not given a citation?
No, I've never been served any kind of citation of any warrant. Do you have proof that I was ever served? I was never served anything. Let me see everything you have.
No paperwork whatsoever during the traffic stop.
I received no. I have never done anything harassing, and the only thing I ever did in Idaho was work. So why don't you provide me? I need you to provide me per my rights, my FOIA rights, everything that you have, so I can see what's going on.
I can't.
And I'm going to report this all the way to the Supreme Court because everything.
When you request them, we will provide them. You need to request them in writing. That's our policy.
Okay, how do I request them in writing? I have called the court multiple times. Nobody returns my call. I have sent letters to the judge.
That's not my office.
Okay. Right? Well, it looks like everything here is a problem. What? Okay, I just talked to the Blackfoot police, and yeah, apparently they made up all kinds of charges for pulling me over, which I was only in Idaho for like 2 months, and apparently there's all kinds of stuff on me in the system illegally. So, oh, I wonder how that happened, Sheriff Ackerman. Just made up charges, and they already got in trouble for this in June for pulling people over without a valid warrant. So let's just report the Idaho police some more about their illegal activity. Let's just bring it all the way up to the Attorney General, shall we? Okay, so this is I'm trying to address this traffic violation here, and I got off the phone right now with the chief of police, and that's I have no idea. I was never given any kind of information of why I was even pulled over in Blackfoot, Idaho. I have never been served any papers that I had any kind of warrant for my arrest. This is a completely made up charge. I've never been served any papers that I had any kind of warrant. I mean, that's the first step that has to happen if there's anything that, regarding any kind of warrant regarding you. So, and then June 13th, there was some kind of law passed all the way up in the Supreme Court that you can't pull people over unless you have firsthand knowledge or you have proof that there's a warrant. But these people just do whatever they want to in Idaho. So, yeah, that needs to change, doesn't it?